in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from UNice Hair. The name of this unit is Blonde Highlights on Dark Hair. This unit does come in both body wave and straight. I received the straight unit, but if I'm thinking correctly, I think I already have this unit in body wave, and if so, I'll pop up a picture of how I styled it right here. This unit comes in lengths of 14 all the way down to 24 inches, and if you're familiar with my channel, then you know I received the 24 inch. The cap construction of this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that can be adjusted and or removed if you choose to do so. The lace on this unit is a 13x4, which means you get 13 inches going straight across and then 4 inches going straight back on the unit. This unit did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more. It was more so just on the sides because the front part of the unit was plucked phenomenally. This unit did not come pre-bleached, but I felt like the knots were a little bit on the bigger side, so I did go in and bleach it myself. The hair took the bleach really well. I want to say I used BW2, I think that was the bleach I used, and then I used a 40 volume developer. Yeah, because I ran out of 30 volume developer, so I used 40 volume developer. Why can't I say developer? And then I left it on there for about, I want to say 20 to 30 minutes. I also went in with some purple shampoo to kind of tone away that orangey, brassy type of look. Now, I will say I left it on there for 20 minutes. I probably could have left it on there a little bit longer because I feel like it's still a little bit orangish, brownish, or not brownish, brassy looking. Why can't I say brass? But I don't know, it doesn't really affect me that much because once I put my foundation on the top of it, it should blend in just fine. I will let you guys know that I did shampoo and condition this unit, and while I was doing so, I got a lot of brown dye running from the unit, so if you end up picking up this unit, I'd highly recommend washing her first. But that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and install this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little xoxo baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably coincide. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got it dotted by some fifth floor strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club. little 48, baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably coincide. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby.
So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNice. Actually, before we talk about the unit, I want to apologize about the lighting change. It's actually the very next day. I started to run out of lighting the previous day, and I thought it was going to be much brighter and sunnier today, but it's actually about to rain. Go figure. Let's go ahead and talk about the only real negative I have about this unit, and that would be the ends of the unit. To me, they just seem really frizzy. Now, I don't want to say that there's a bunch of split ends, because when I look at the ends, I'm not really seeing split ends, but it's just really frizzy. An easy way to fix that would be either one, to just go ahead and clip those ends, which I might do that after this video, or I could possibly take some serum and then run my flat iron through afterwards. I didn't put any product on this hair, so that could possibly be affecting it. Other than the frizzy ends, I really don't have anything negative to say about this unit. The hair is super soft, and I also like how they place the highlights on this unit. For the most part, they're located right here in the front, and I also like the gradient effect that they did, especially seeing as how it goes from such a dark color. What's going on with my voice? What I was trying to say is that I like the gradient effect that this unit has, seeing as how it's going from like a 1B-ish all the way down to a 613, or all the way up to a 613, because you're going to lift the color, so it's going up. Yeah, I like the gradient effect. It's not very harsh at all, which I always appreciate. I don't think I spoke about this earlier, but this unit is big head friendly. I feel like every unit that I've had from UNice has been quote unquote big head friendly. I do think that these units can fit someone with a smaller head. You would just have to adjust the adjustable straps. This unit is 24 inches long, so therefore when all of the hair is pushed to the front, it stops about right at my waist, a little bit below my waist I want to say, and when it's all pushed to the back, it stops right above my butt. I've said this multiple times before on my channel, but I don't really like to sleep in my units, but I will say that UNice is one of those companies that I can sleep in their units and feel comfortable in it. The lace on this unit melted so nicely. I'll lift up my bangs so you guys can see. It's probably lifting just a little bit because again, I did sleep in this unit, but I mean still, it's giving scalp, if you will. Now, I've said this before, how I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs, but I can also understand why people create them and utilize them. Depending on the color and the texture of the unit, sometimes I'll just leave my own natural edges out, but with units like this, sometimes I want them covered up. And with my edges sticking out so far, sometimes it can be a little bit of a challenge, but it wasn't with this one. I just went ahead and took the lace and covered my edges, and then I used some hair to create baby hairs with it, and I feel like they came out cute. I also felt like it would match this style really well. Speaking of style, I did decide to go ahead and switch it up a little bit. You know, I typically curl my human hair units, but I don't know, I wanted something a little bit different. I wanted something straight, but I wanted something with a bang, so here we are. I will insert a few clips of this unit curled, but for me, straightened is definitely the vibe. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. She's really cute, and I'm pretty sure I'm about to wear her for the next couple of days. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.